what's up? It's your girl Didi, and we are going live on Facebook right now. I'm going to be making soup. So this is something simple, quick, and easy that you can do because I got my booklets right here, and you guys can check it out, see if you're interested in getting them as well. We have our ingredients, and I know you guys always at a bad angle, but I'm gonna work on it and definitely get a different sort of view for you. And if you don't like meat, you don't have to have it. So I'm gonna go live on Facebook, and I'm just setting up everything to make sure that we're all good to go live. Today's been a very really gloomy day. It's been pretty horrible. So I hope that you guys are staying safe during this time and during COVID. Take care of yourselves. Let's go live on Facebook. Hi guys, what's up? Happy Monday everyone. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. It's officially another Monday, first day of the week, and we're back for a Kitchen Madness video, a live video. I am going to try to prepare something, another simple, quick, and easy, because if you didn't already know, I have my simple, quick, and easy booklet out. You guys can get it on Amazon, and or if you want a signed copy, I could get it to you, and I could also mail it to you if you want to. Hi Trina, how are you? I'll read in the comments as I go along. And I have my guiltless chocolate recipes for all my chocolate lovers. So if you guys are interested, you could always message me. Hi Gail, and let me know. So today we're going to be preparing something absolutely delicious, because I always do that, right? And I hope that you guys try my recipes, because it's all about keeping your health in check. Because as a dietitian, nutritionist, and healthcare professional, I want you to be a happier, healthier version of yourself. And that's why I launched Didi's Nutrition Consultancy, so that I can help you guys reach your health goal through lifestyle changes. No restrictive diets, no weight loss gimmicks, no pills, no products, nothing. I care about you, I care about your organs, and I care about helping you to reach your health goal through healthy habits. So we're going to prepare something delicious, nutritious, and hi Navin, hi Nadira, how are you guys doing? Because we're going to kickstart the week on a healthy note, right? So this is going to be something you can do for dinner. Because again, you want to keep dinner light. Dinner should be the lightest meal of the day, since it's the last meal of the day before you sleep. Because for typical people, you would sleep at night. If you don't sleep at night and you sleep during the day, well, you just have to switch that around in your daytime. Hi Natasha, how are you? So I hope you guys have a great day. Keep safe during this time. Still wear your mask wherever you go. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. And let's get into it. So we have what I actually did was get this frozen chopped veggie mix. So it's gonna be pretty easy to prepare because it's already washed, cut up, and cleaned. Pretty simple, right? And I got this in the frozen section, and it was just easy. So if you're looking for a simple, quick, and easy way out, but of course, fresh ingredients is better than anything else. So if you do get a chance to go to your market or grocery and get those fresh ingredients that you like, wash, clean, chop up, sanitize, do everything you have to do. But for me, this is just going to take me less than 5 minutes to prepare. So I have this already pre-done for me. I also have some seasoning that is going to make everything taste absolutely yummy. I have my noodles. So I think that you guys could guess what we're going to make, huh? It's going to be a soup. It's going to be a chicken noodle soup with a lot of vegetables. Always stick to your favorite vegetables, because again, why not? Why are you forcing yourself to eat something you don't like? That's not the point here. The point is to stick to what you like and to prepare things that are nutritious and delicious. So we're making soup, and what we're going to do is get our trusty little pot. Got to put some water. I know it's pretty old. But we're going to put some water in here. And we're going to just cook everything together, because again, soup is absolutely delicious. Absolutely. It's the easiest thing you could do as well. I got easy soup. And during this rainy day, and during the rainy season that Trinidad is seeing right now, soups are wonderful, especially in the evening. It's nice to keep you warm at night. So first thing I want to do is add in my veggies. You can do it however you want to. Honestly, it doesn't really matter because you just get everything in there. And do you guys know that corn is a carb? A lot of the times, everybody keeps telling me that, you know, corn is a veggie, and it's not. It is a carb. And let me just explain why it's a carb. And it's a carb because it has more carbohydrates and fats and proteins. Simple. It's not anything else other than a carb. Because again, everything could be classified based on, yeah, okay, avocado could be a fruit of a tree, but it's fat because it is made of fat. It's mostly fat. Same as coconut. Coconut water has very little calories, but the jelly is a fat. So it's very important that we know and we understand what exactly we're putting into our bodies and what exactly it's made up of, so that we get the right amount of nutrients that we need throughout the day. So we also want to put that to a boil. So leave that on high heat, and as soon as it boils, you know what you gotta do. Just put all the ingredients together. But I just want to chip up some chicken. If you're a vegetarian, you don't have to eat the meat. It's up to you. You could do fish broth. It really doesn't matter. Whatever your preference is. But I'm gonna put some chicken. So I actually roucou meat, and I roucoued this meat earlier. So I'm just gonna chop this up into very tiny pieces because it's more convenient that way. And if you're super duper lazy, just don't cut it up and just put the whole chunk of meat in there. I mean, everything's gonna be chopped up in your mouth anyway. You still have to eat it, chew it to get it down to your stomach. So doesn't really matter. It's all about you and what you prefer and what you feel like doing on that day. So we're just gonna chop this up into little chicken chunks. If you have raw meat, again, you want to cook the meat first. You could steam it, or you could just season it well and put it into the soup. Just boil the water and it will cook, because the last thing you want to add is the noodles, because that one and the veggies, really, it cooks pretty quickly depending on the type of noodles that you have. So just chopping up some of the meat right here. Again, if you're vegetarian, you don't have to do this. You could just mix in a good amount of beans, because bean soup is really yummy as well. So I'm just gonna make chicken noodle soup, and just chop up some of my roucou chicken that I made earlier. How much of you have tried roucou chicken before? Oops, did I fall out? No. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh. I use roucou instead of sugar for stew. So I think that's a good amount of meat. Let me show you guys. See? Doesn't that look good? And, well, the noodles. So, chicken, noodles, and yep, that's a good amount of carbs. Because again, the corn will count as carbs. So we're putting corn and noodles together, and that's going to be 2 carbs. But once you stick to portion control, you're good to go. Let me add in some seasonings. As we go along, we want to make sure we season it well. And this is just like a blended sort of mix that I made with oregano and other spices. And it's so easy. It's like super duper easy. So if you want, guys, for dinner, you could make this totally easy and yummy dinner recipe. Let me just show you guys. I'm just putting everything in. Yummy, 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 yummy. And of course you want to mix it all together, make it all yummy. Should I use a small spoon? Should I use a fork? Oh, whatever, it doesn't matter. Ding, 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 ding. Look at all the colors, woohoo! And this is what you want to see. You want to include all of your favorite veggies. Make sure that the noodles, obviously it's supposed to come to a boil first before you put it in. Gonna do a rush job here, but it's all gonna cook. The chicken is already pre-cooked, so the only thing that has to cook right here is noodles. Because again, these veggies, you could even eat them raw if you want to. So stick to your favorite ones, guys. Everything that you like. Sorry, that was a weird angle. I'm not gonna add all the veggies, all the noodles, because again, I do have corn and noodles in there, so that's 2 carbs and meat. So the balance would be all my favorite veggies. So I have carrots, I have some bodi, broccoli. What else is in there? Bell peppers, right? And then I have my meat, which is my protein source. I have the chicken. and then I have my carbs, which would be the corn and the noodles. So that's a balanced plate, and that's a balanced plate method that you always want to do with every single meal that you have. You want to make sure all your biggest meals, you want to make sure you see a lot of color in this, so you get a variety of nutrients, and that will boost your immune system and make you feel a lot healthier and happier at the end of the day. Because again, health is wealth, and what are you guys gonna do without it? So message me if you're interested in any of my booklets. It is on Amazon, and or I could get a signed copy to you depending on where you are, and or I could mail it to you as well. So let me know, and I will link everything in the description. Check out my website, didithetrinidn if you're interested in my services, and or if you want my newsletter, because I'm giving out monthly newsletters every month to whoever wants to give me their email. And basically it's going to have healthy tips, advice, recipes, and updates for any of the programs. So that's coming to a boil. I just want to make sure the noodles cook down really well. And if you guys didn't already know, I help persons with their health goal through lifestyle changes. No restrictive diets, no weight loss gimmicks, no pills, no products, no supplements. It's all about you creating healthy habits based on your background, your lifestyle, and helping you to reach that goal, whether it's weight loss, whether it's to come off of your pills for chronic disease, if it's high blood pressure, heart disease, high cholesterol levels, and even if you don't have it and you know somebody who does, let them know that I exist. Give them my number, message me, ask me about my services. I have a free 15-minute consultation that I do with persons. So it's basically very, very easy and very simple. So you could always message me. I have my business number available, and I will give you all the information and your individualized attention, because everything I do is to help you guys achieve that health goal at the end of the day. It's about you and helping you to overcome whatever issues that you have. Let me just go back to the comments while that is boiling. Isn't that a super easy soup? What other soups do you guys have? What other soups do you guys like? Please, please, please share this video and share my website, share my information for persons who you know may need and benefit from my services. Because again, I don't do any gimmicks, and I'm not about fast results. I'm all about improving the quality of your life through healthy habits and through lifestyle changes. Okay guys, so share, subscribe. If you're interested in advertising, again, you can contact me. My business number is available. Let me just scroll back up through the comments, because I want to say hi to everyone who said hi. There's a lot to go back through. I'm so glad that you guys joined me. Thanks so much for joining me. And remember, I do donation drives as well. So if you're interested, go to my website and donate to get to families in need. Hi Ali, how are you? Hi Rohan. Ooh, lovely. Hi Tari, how you guys doing? Hope you guys having a fabulous day and a fantastic week ahead of you. Hi Sabrina. Hi Kimberly, how are you? Hi Natalie. Oh, that's so sweet. Welcome. Hi Sabrina. Oh yeah. It's gonna be absolutely yummy. I know it is. Hi Castarine. Oh, what? I don't know. Something about a spoon. I have no idea. This is my mom's kitchen, so I don't know where she gets her stuff. Love the utensils in the rack. I'll tell her that you did. Hi Kumar, how are you? Hope you guys have. Gotta make sure the soup doesn't burn. No, it's still good to go. Just have it on high heat, and it's just gonna cook down a little more. Hi Sean. I just basically roucou'd it. So for the chicken, what I did, wash, clean, take away all visible skin and fat, and just added fresh seasoning, some of the roucou roots, which is like a red liquid, and cook it on heat. That's it. So simple. Really the simplest thing in the world. Hi Matthew. Hi Gemma, yeah, it's the real soup, man. It's yummy. Kion, oh thank you. You. Slim, Jessica. Please, it's, hey. Oh my gosh, don't put your address on the chat. You message me the address, like don't let everybody know where you live. What are you doing? Okay, thank you. I will leave your contact information so I can get the booklet to you, okay? Shamala, hi. Calistra, hey, how are you guys? Desmond, sorry, I'm just taking this time to say hi to everybody because obviously I was not doing that before. Keon, Tracy, Andrea, hey. Oh, we're waiting to see the soup. Okay, yeah. Let's look at that. Woohoo! It's boiling away. Is it cooked? Just make sure the noodles are cooked because again, everything else was cooked. It's just that maybe once it cuts. Yes! It's cutting! I do think that I need a little more water. It's cutting! And there are different types of noodles, so again, it's dependent on what noodles you like. You could go the extremely skinny ones, you could go the very clear ones, you go with rice noodles, it really doesn't matter. Whatever your preferences. And let's take that off because I do think that that is good. Hi Roxanne, hi Andreas, I'm so saying hi to everyone. Keon, Narita, oops. Alright, so let's plate that. I have like a bowl. Do I have a bowl? A colorful bowl for a colorful soup? Because I really don't want to eat much of it anyway. Because my portions are very small because I'm short. So usually based on your height, there's a recommended amount that you should eat. And so this would probably be good for like 2 dinners. Because it's quite a lot of food. Oh my god, this is so good. It smells amazing. Ooh. And because of the colors, I just absolutely love it. It actually came out more steamed because it had too much water, but yeah. If you do like it, with a little more water, which is what soup is, add more water, okay? And make sure you monitor it. Don't turn your back to the soup like I did. Because you need a lot of water with the soup. Woohoo! Let me just show you. It's like a small portion, but still, I like this much. Look at that! Look at that! Wasn't that easy? Wasn't that simple and easy? Nella. Right. So the simple, quick, and easy is 100, and the chocolate recipe is 120. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Because again, everything I do is simple, quick, and easy, so you don't take too long in the kitchen and you get something delicious at the end of it. Now I know this is hot, but I still want to taste it with you guys to show you how delicious it is, because I'm pretty sure that it is yummy. Especially if you season it well, because again, I didn't add salt because I don't add salt to my meals, because again, I know my family's risk for hypertension is high. Good stuff. So noodles, chicken, and mixed frozen veg. Easiest thing in the world. Easiest thing ever. Did that take 5 minutes or less? I do think so. So I hope that you guys try it. Let me know if you like it. If you're interested in my services, message me. If you know anybody who is, let them know I exist. Share, like, comment, do whatever you like. And thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you guys. And I'll see you guys next week for another Kitchen Manners video. Let me know if you guys want me to prepare something specific, and I will. But this should go for a nice dinner. So on a rainy day like this, you really want something warm to clear out the day. And this is definitely going to give you a really nice, relaxing, sort of de-stressing dinner. So sit and enjoy your meal. Okay, guys? Make sure it's always going to be colorful and include the things that you love in it. All right? Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. Oh, I keep forgetting you guys. All right. Thanks for joining me. Bye.